Welcome all. Next, integration by trigonometry transformation. There are some examples on integration by trigonometry transformation. In this topic, we have to convert given trigonometric ratios into standard formulas. Like integration, given example, sin x divided by cos square x into dx. Okay, so we have formula for sin x or 1 upon cos or 1 upon cos square, but there is no formula for the sin upon cos square. So what we can do here, sin x divided by this cos square x can be split like this, cos x into cos x into dx. Okay, so there are two ratios. You can see here sin x divided by cos x becomes tan x, and 1 upon cos x becomes sec x. Okay, so this integration is tan x, sin upon cos is tan, and into 1 upon cos is sec. So this is the standard formula, that is integration sec x into tan x dx is sec x plus c. So this will be your answer. This example is for 2 marks. Okay, next, second one, integration cos x divided by sin square x into dx. Cos x divided by sin square x into dx. Same here, we have to split this sin square x into sin x. Okay, split this sin x into sin x into dx. So there are two standard function, that is cos x upon sin x becomes cot x, and next one is 1 upon sin x, and 1 upon sin x will be cosec x into dx. So integration of cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x plus c. This will be your final answer. This example is for also for 2 marks. Okay. Next one, you can see on the screen, evaluate integration tan square x. Okay, we have formula for tan x only, but there is no formula for tan square x. So in square there is only one formula, two formulas, that is sec square x and cosec square x. So by fundamental identity, there is one formula for this, is 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Okay, the formula is 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Okay, now we have to find formula for tan square x. So formula for tan square x will be sec square x minus 1. Okay, formula will be sec square x minus 1. Next, evaluate integration tan square x dx. Okay, so there is no formula for the integration of tan square x. We have formula for only integration tan x. So let us solve this example. Integration tan square x dx. Okay, so there is one fundamental identity. 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Okay, there is formula for the sec square x. So we can convert this tan square x into sec square x like this. Tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. There is formula for integration of sec square x and integration of 1 dx is available. So tan square x can be written in this form, sec square x minus 1 into dx. Okay, let us separate this integration. Integration sec square x dx minus integration 1 dx. Integration sec square x is tan x minus 1 dx is x plus c. Similarly, we can solve integration cot square x dx, okay, by using 1 plus cot square is x is equal to cosec square x. Okay, you can solve this example. Next, evaluate integration sin square x dx and cos square 2x. Okay, let us solve these examples one by one. Let Radon given integration I is equal to integration sin square x. Okay, so in last video we have seen formulas for standard formulas for this. So formula for sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So integration of sin square x will be 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. Now this 2 is constant, so it is out of integration like 1 by 2. Let us separate the integration on these terms 1 minus cos 2x like this 1 dx minus integration cos 2x dx. Now 1 by 2 and into integration of 1 dx is x minus integration of cos 2x. Cos 2x is composite function. Cos is first function and this 2x is second function. And in last video, like integration of composite function, we have seen already integration of composite function is integration of whole function divided by derivative of second function. So what is the integration of cos 2x? Integration of cos 2x is, one second, integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by derivative of 2x. So 2 is constant and derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus c. Okay, so the final answer will be 1 by 2 into x minus sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. Okay, so this will be your final answer. Second, integration we have given b integration cos square 2x. Okay, so we have formula for the cos square x. Okay, so what is the formula for cos square x? It will be 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, by using multiple angle formula, if there is 2x, then here it is 4x. So for cos square 2x, the formula will be 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. Okay, why? You can see here, if I replace this x by 2x, then this 2x will be 4x. Okay, so again the same, this 1 by 2 is constant, so it is out of integration. Then we'll separate the integration to these two terms. So it will be integration 1 dx plus integration cos 4x dx. Cos 4x dx. So 1 by 2 as it is into integration 1 dx is x plus integration of cos 4x. What is integration? Here is also it is also composite function. First function is cos 4x and second one is 4x. So what is the integration of composite function? Integration of whole function divided by derivative of second function. So integration of cos is sin 4x divided by derivative of second function. So derivative of 4x will be 4 into 1. that is plus c. So final answer will be, our final answer is 1 by 2 x plus sine 4x divided by 4 plus c. So this will be your final answer. Okay. So similarly, so next example. Now here sine square x by 2. Okay, so first I will write the example. Integration sine square x by 2 into dx. So we have formula like this. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay. So if I replace this x by x by 2 by multiple angle formula, then it will be 1 minus cos x divided by 2. Simple here. X is replaced by x by 2 means it will half. So 2x half is x. So it is 1 minus cos x. So integration 1 minus cos x divided by 2. Here 1 by 2 is constant. So it will be out of integration 1 by 2 in integration 1 minus cos 2x. So it will separate like this 1 dx minus integration cos x dx. Okay, so now this 1 by 2 is common into 1 dx is x minus integration of cos x. It is standard function, so cos x, integration of cos x is only sin x plus c. Similarly, you can solve integration cos square x by 2. The difference is, the formula for cos square x by 2 will be 1 plus cos x divided by. Okay, so you can solve by 1. Next, integration 1 upon sine square x dx. Okay, so we have formula for only 1 upon sine square or cos square. 1 upon sine square x into cos square x. Okay, so 1 upon sine square x is cosec square x and 1 upon cos square x is sec square x. But there is multiplication sign into both of them. So what we can do here, this one, use formula for one in sine and cos. There is one fundamental identity for one is sine square x plus cos square x. Okay, sine square x plus cos square x. So this integration 1 is equal to sine square x plus cos square x divided by sine square x into cos square x into dx. Now we can separate the numerator like this. Integration sine square x divided by sine square x into cos square x. Okay. Second, plus, middle sign is plus, cos square x divided by sine square x into cos square x. What we have to do here? Only we separate the numerator. Okay, so this sine square x will get cancelled. Here cos square x will be cancelled. So integration becomes 1 upon, the remaining term is 1 upon cos square x, and by reciprocals 1 upon cos square will be sec square x plus 1 upon sine square will be cosec square x into dx. Now we'll separate this integration. Integration sec square x dx plus integration cosec square x dx. Okay. Now these are standard forms. So integration of sec square x dx is tan x plus integration of cosec square x is minus cot x plus c. So the formula will be tan x minus cot x. So answer will be tan x minus cot x plus c. Okay. Next, second example. Next one example is sin x in integration of sin x into sec square x dx. Integration sin x. Okay. Now there is no relation between sin and sec square x. We have formula for sec square x differently and sin x differently. So now what we can do here, sec x is reciprocal of cos. So sec square x can be written as 1 upon cos square x. So firstly we have solved this example. How divide split this cos square x into two parts such that cos x into cos x dx. Then integration sin upon cos is tan x and 1 upon cos is sec x into dx. And this is standard form, and standard formula for this is integration sec x into tan x is sec x plus c. So this is one tricky example for 2 marks. Okay, and the next one, evaluate integration sin x plus cos x bracket square. So now what we have to do here, one second, we have to use the formula. Say this as a, middle sign is plus, this as b, then you can use or we can use the formula a plus b bracket square. Formula this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then integration sin square x a square plus 2ab, 2 sin x into cos x, and last one plus cos square x into dx. Okay, so see here, this is also one tricky example. Sin square x plus cos square x. There is fundamental identity for this one, plus 2 sin x into cos x. The formula for this is sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. So here 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x into dx. Now we can separate this integration. Integration 1 dx plus integration sin 2x dx. So integration 1 dx is x plus, this is again composite function because coefficient of x is other than 1. So integration of sin x is minus cos x, therefore sin 2x integration of cosine 2x is minus cos 2x divided by derivative of 2x. So 2 is constant and derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus c. So our final answer will be x. This plus or minus becomes minus, plus and minus becomes minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus c. This will be your final answer. So these are some examples based on trigonometric transformation. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.